Stages of venture capital fund. What are the stages? The venture capital fund passes through various stages. What are the venture capitalists? While risk is different from each stage of financing. So the risk perception and activity to finance, the indicator risk matrix for each stage of funding for the venture capital financing is given below. When seed money, start a business he wants, startup money. He has started it, he need to develop in it. First round, it is like a marketing commercial. Second round, working capital. Third round, expansion. Fourth round is final. This is what the period when it happened. In the seed money, 7 to 10 years. Startup 5 to 9 years. First round 3 to 7 years. Second 3 to 5 years. Third 1 to 3 years. Fourth 1 to 4 years. The risk is seed money is extreme. Startup high, then sufficiently high in second round, medium in third round, and the fourth round is very low. So what are the activity perform? Seed money is support an idea and involves low level financing. There is no nothing. I have an idea I want to invest. That is seed money. 7 to 10 years, extreme dangerous. Startup money is a prototype operation developing products and financing. Sir, he had the idea, he had developed something, he have now something in his hands. So with that, you need to proceed with it. It is take 5 to 9 years take. First round is from starting commercial production and marketing. They are nothing for commercial production. They are starting out, but they had brought it something. He had found the solution. He had done the product. Now he want to develop in large volume. That is first round. Second one, for growth, market capital need, the company is not earning enough on product. So he had developed the product. This product is working. Now they need to sell it in a much lower price to attract the market and earn more profit. So we need to put some industrial effort so we can produce more and we can get less product. Third round, the market expansion, product development for profit making companies, mezzanine factor. So now, sir, I'm selling something and I'm able to make profit out of it. My product problem is I'm selling in only this region. I want to expand my sales to various regions and many range of people need to buy my product. That kind I want to customize the product for various people. That is thought of fourth round was for facilitating public issue. I've done everything now in last 3 years. I want to go for IPO, 10 crores down our minimum and 25% margin minimum. So for that, I want to go to IPO. I want this. So that I want help. This is what the money is, venture capital is coming. It's a stages of various venture capital funding.